Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing an art set that I got on Amazon.com. It's pretty complete. It has 8 graphite pencils, 3 sketching sticks, 3 charcoal sticks, a white eraser, a kneaded eraser, sharpener, and 4 charcoal pencils. I haven't used it yet. I'm going to open it and give you a review because I think it is really affordable. It's originally like $8 and I got it for like less than $6. So I don't know how much it is right now, but okay, let's check it out. Let's start with the lightest color, which is 4H. Next one is 2H. Just pretty similar. I'm gonna try H. They feel like regular pencils, I would say. HB, very similar to B. Okay, I can already feel a difference with B. If it feels a little softer. 2B feels really good. Okay, here you can see a little bit of a glare, but then when I'm finished, I'm going to move the paper a little bit so you can see how it really looks, but it's darker, you see? Okay, so now I'm going to try the sticks. This is a 2B stick. It feels really soft, really smooth, and I love how it blends. 4B, it's really soft too. And now 6B. That one's darker, and they all blend really nice. So then I found 8B, which was with the charcoals. I have to sharpen the charcoal pencils now, and we're gonna start with the soft one. It's pretty dark and really smooth. Now next is the medium. It's pretty similar, it's pretty soft too. But the soft one is darker. Now the hard one is not as dark. Now I'm trying the soft charcoal stick, the medium, and the hard. Now let's see how they blend. Pretty smooth. Let's try the erasers now. I'll start with the white eraser. And it's pretty good. I mean, it leaves residue, but it's not bad. Now we're going to try the kneaded eraser. And I'm actually surprised that it doesn't work that well. I had never had this problem with it, with a kneaded eraser. It's getting my paper dirty. Okay, so here's my review after trying all the pencils and erasers and the charcoal sticks. Okay, what I think is that the first pencils that I used, the H pencils, they're too light, so I wouldn't use those, but some people might want to use them. I would use starting from 2B. You can immediately feel how they're really soft and they're darker, and I was really happy to find the 8B pencil there too. The sticks, the sketching sticks were pretty good. I like them too, and the 3 of them are B, they're not H, so that's great. They're 2B, 4B, and 6B. Okay, and now for the charcoal. The soft charcoal is the darkest one, and then the medium, and then the hard is the lightest one. So I would go with the soft one, but you can use the 3 of them. You just have 3 options. I would also use the sketching sticks, graphite sticks maybe, I don't know how you can call them. And then the charcoal sticks were pretty good too. Now, one of the charcoal sticks, like the lead broke when I was trying to sharpen it. I hope it was just like a one-time thing and that they're not too cheap. The other 2 were sharpened pretty well. Okay, now the erasers. The white one actually turned out to be pretty good, but I did not like the kneaded eraser. Okay, so I would suggest buying this like for beginners, but the kneaded eraser, I would suggest you go to Michael's or an art store and get a kneaded eraser from there. This one has like a really weird texture and I didn't like it very much. But the rest of the set is pretty good. Again, if you're a beginner or you just want like a nice, cheap and expensive set, go for it. I recommend it. And this is not at all like a sponsored video, so I'm not getting anything from this. I just wanted to find a nice set that is pretty good quality for the price. So out of 5 stars and taking into account the price, I think I would give it 4.5. Let me know if you buy it and how did it work for you. Hope you have a great week and I'll see you next time.